welcome to Sarah's Stampery Treat. Today I thought I'd do a really fun unboxing video. So I am a guest designer for Altenews June release. So I thought I'd open the box on camera so you can see all the gorgeousness at the same time I do. Now the box is a little bit big for my filming area, so I'm going to open it and then set it to one side and show you everything inside. So we'll just slip these sides. And then let's open this up. So there's a glimpse at what's in here. Let's pull it all out. So the first thing is this storage for the blending brushes. Now I've just got the one, but they are actually stackable if you need more than one. So this is built to hold these mini blending brushes, and I have a few of those, but I don't have 40. So what I'm hoping is that this will hold my Olo marker, and it does. So I'm going to actually use this as a bit of a mixed storage area. I love that it holds the markers. I love that it holds these. I will probably use it more for markers than anything. Obviously then the lid's not going to fit on top, but that's what I'm lacking storage for at the moment, is my markers. But obviously if you're using it as it's intended for the blending brushes, then that can fit on top and you can stack another one on top if you've got more. So then we've got all of these beautiful sequins, and what I like about these is in one colour you get from the teeniest tiniest sequins up to some really big ones. So you've got the perfect matching ones to go on your project, and also they come in this packaging, but each individual packet is in a grip seal bag, so that when you take apart the packaging it's still really nice to use. Because I hate when you have a packet of sequins and then you have to find something else to put them into after you've opened them. So we've got this colour, which is the clear iridescent. We've got the Peony gold, which is a gorgeous kind of pinky metallic. Sparkling gold, which is lovely kind of champagne-y gold. Dazzling diamond, which are kind of more silver, but they're not kind of a straight silver. It's really difficult to explain, but it's kind of almost like slightly iridescent. They're really pretty. Then we've got this champagne, which is slightly more kind of yellowy than the sparkling gold. And then we've got Twinkling pink, which is more of a true pink, and they're kind of more see-through as opposed to metallic. So those are really gorgeous. And then I've got some gorgeous products to show you. So we've got this versatile greetings. So there's loads that you can kind of put together, so you can have like thinking of you, just because, you are awesome, with sympathy, for you. You've got all sorts you can mix and match with there. And you can see that each of the dies has the actual words, and then it has this kind of outline die as well, so that you can get that kind of double look. And they've got an example on the back there as well. So then we've got this cornered bloom stamp set. And you can see you've got these corners, and you've also got these sweet little flowers as well. And then you've got the sending you, and you've got peace, bright smiles, endless joy, strength, heartfelt blessings, sweet wishes, and love and hugs. So then we've got this cute open rose layering die set. So this is one of their keyhole dies, so that you know exactly how to layer this up. And you can see there's instructions on the back as to how to layer it to create that lovely flower. Then I've got this blooming doily charm embossing folder. I'm taking everything out of the packages before I show them to you, because otherwise the lights are shining too much on them. How gorgeous is that? So then I have this lovely heritage chevron weaves stencil. You can see there's a little example on the back. It's really pretty. And then we've got this Regal frame stamp set, and then this is the Regal frame die set that goes with it. So this is what they call a mini delight. So it's a small stamp set and a small die set. I think that's really cute. I really like that. Then we've got this Prairie roses layering die set, and it's another one with a keyhole system, so you know exactly where to put everything. Shows you how to layer them up on the back as well. And look at the amount of dies you get on that one. That's a huge die set, but it's really, really beautiful, look. And then we've got the zero waste embroidered motifs. And I really like these zero waste dies because you can use the outline and you can use the pieces that come out of it individually to make really cool cards. So this comes in two pieces. So you've got this piece which cuts out everything and gives an embossed detail to it. And then this piece, if you want to cut out these extra details. So you can see this is it with the extra details cut out, and then this is it without the extra details. So then we have Magical Peony Better Press plate, and I'm really excited about this because it's such a gorgeous floral. And then there's a set of layering stencils to go with that as well. And then I forgot as well that there was this set of press plates that go with this die set that I showed you earlier. So the outline dies on this will also cut out the Better Press sentiments. Then we've just got a few more things to see. So we've got this gorgeous Playful Stripes background stencil, which is like an animal print I love. Then we have this gorgeous Sweet Apricot layering die set. Again, it's got the keyhole system and huge amounts of dies. Those will be really good for not just your smaller cards, but your bigger cards as well. And again, you have how to layer them on the back. And then finally, I've got this Craft Your Life set. So we've got this huge, gorgeous floral stamp. We've got layering stencils that colour that stamp. Then we've got coordinating dies. And we've also got a coordinating embossing folder. So you can mix and match those in all sorts of different ways to create gorgeous images. So I really hope you enjoyed looking at those with me today. I will link all the products below and you'll see loads of them coming up on my videos over the next few weeks. So I really hope that you'll join me for those. But thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shared today are listed in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.